This is a Thermaltake Core P3 Pro Snow Edition. This is for my client DJ, a Dota 2 Pro player from Fnatic. I'm gonna do a build for him. This will be a white and blue color theme. And also shout out and thanks to Thermaltake and Andy for their awesome products. Like this Thermaltake DDR5 RAMs. Okay, the fans, the case itself. I like what they did upgrading the old P3 to this kind of case fit. I really like this one. And also I'm thinking to use their new fans. I'm thinking to use that instead of the Ring quad, but I'm not sure yet. And very thick. I don't know how many millimeters this is, but this is very thick, like this thick. Thermaltake's copper radiator. And also I'll be using their new CPU block. Okay, but I'll be painting this panel. I'll be removing this and painting this white so that it would blend well with the build, and some of the other parts also, maybe some of the parts of the pump. And if I can, I think I'm gonna do or paint this parts white. I'm gonna, if I could remove it, I'll paint it white also. Okay, and I'll update you later. So here's the build now. After doing lots of acrylic cutting and prepping and painting, here's an acrylic that I bent that will be put on top of the build so that I could mount the aluminum for the LED strips. And then additional painting on the motherboard parts, the acrylic back cover of the NVMe PCIe part. And then I made a power supply cover so that the cables would not be seen, and a small laser cut Thermaltake logo there. And then I've also set some of the cables here, there with the painted gray semi-closed combs, also on the CPU power. And then what else? Also completed painting the pump. And also I made this small acrylic to cover the pump below like this. Okay, so it would be much cleaner when I take pictures like this. So these are the small details that if you add everything, you know, it will make the build um, much more cleaner, you know. And then uh, like here for instance, I'll be putting it there, and I'm thinking of putting an acrylic here also, and then putting the SSD, and then covering it up with a laser cut acrylic on the top. Okay, and this would be painted white, and the SSD letters would be painted gray, because there's a little bit hint of gray in this build. It's a almost full white, a little bit of black, and a little bit of gray. Okay, and then after this I'm just gonna finish the cable management in the front and the back, and then install the acrylic top panel, put aluminum covers here and on the top, and the lid strips. I will not be taking videos of it, so because you know. And then I'm gonna finish up the tubing, and then I'm gonna install it, and then after that we're gonna fill it up. Okay.